Imagine waking up one day and finding out that you have more money in your bank account than you ever dreamed of. Imagine being able to afford anything you want, travel anywhere you want, and live a life of abundance and joy. How would that feel? How would that change your life? You might think that this is just a fantasy, that this kind of wealth and prosperity is reserved for a lucky few. You might think that you have to work hard, struggle, and sacrifice to achieve financial success. You might think that money is scarce, hard to come by, and a source of stress and worry. But what if I told you that none of this is true? What if I told you that you have the power to create your own reality, and that money is just one aspect of it? What if I told you that you can attract more money and prosperity into your life with ease, grace, and joy? You might be skeptical, or even dismissive. You might think that this is too good to be true, or that it sounds like some kind of scam or cult. You might think that this is just another self-help gimmick, or a way to sell you something. But I assure you, this is not the case. This is not a trick, a scheme, or a manipulation. This is not about changing your behavior, your habits, or your actions. This is about changing your mind. You see, your mind is the matrix of your reality. Your mind is the source of everything that happens to you. Your mind is the creator of your world. And your mind has two aspects, your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is the part of your mind that you are aware of. It is the part of your mind that thinks, analyzes, reasons, and makes decisions. It is the part of your mind that sets goals, plans strategies, and takes actions. Your subconscious mind is the part of your mind that you are not aware of. It is the part of your mind that stores memories, emotions, beliefs, and habits. It is the part of your mind that controls your body functions, your instincts, and your intuition. Your subconscious mind is also the part of your mind that manifests your reality. You see, your subconscious mind does not know the difference between reality and imagination. It does not know the difference between what is true and what is false. It does not know the difference between what is possible and what is impossible. Your subconscious mind only knows what you impress upon it. And what you impress upon it is determined by two things, your thoughts and feelings as you fall asleep. You see, as you fall asleep, your conscious mind becomes less active and your subconscious mind becomes more receptive. As you fall asleep, you enter a state of hypnosis, where you are more suggestible and impressionable. As you fall asleep, you enter a state of creation, where you can script your reality for tomorrow. Whatever thoughts and feelings you have as you fall asleep are imprinted on your subconscious mind as commands. Whatever thoughts and feelings you have as you fall asleep are projected on your reality as experiences. Whatever thoughts and feelings you have as you fall asleep are manifested in your world as events. This means that if you fall asleep with thoughts and feelings of lack, scarcity, fear, worry, or anxiety about money, you will attract more lack, scarcity, fear, worry, or anxiety about money in your life. You will experience more financial problems, challenges, or difficulties. You will manifest more bills, debts, or expenses. But this also means that if you fall asleep with thoughts and feelings of prosperity, joy, gratitude, or love about money, you will attract more money, prosperity, joy, gratitude, or love about money in your life. You will experience more financial opportunities, successes, or blessings. You will manifest more income, savings, or wealth. This is how powerful your mind is. This is how powerful you are. This is how powerful reality creation is. And this is not just a theory. This is not just a philosophy. This is not just a belief. This is a fact. This is a law. This is a science. And this science has been proven by many experiments, studies, and testimonies of people who have used it to transform their lives. One of the most famous experiments that showcases the power of the mind is the ladder experiment by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard taught people how to use their imagination to create their desired reality. He was also a master of manifestation, who demonstrated his teachings by manifesting his own desires with ease and speed. One of his most popular teachings was the ladder experiment, which he used to prove to his students that they could manifest anything they wanted by using their imagination and feeling the reality of their wish fulfilled. The ladder experiment was very simple. He asked his students to imagine that they were climbing a ladder every night before they fell asleep. He told them to feel the rungs of the ladder in their hands, to hear the sound of their feet on the ladder, to see the view from the top of the ladder, and to repeat the words "I am climbing a ladder" as they fell asleep. He also told them to avoid climbing any physical ladder during the day, and to deny any evidence that contradicted their imaginal act. He told them to persist in this exercise until they manifested a ladder in their reality. And they did. Many of his students reported that within days or weeks, they found themselves climbing a ladder in their waking life, without any conscious effort or intention. Some of them climbed a ladder at their workplace, at their home, or at a friend's house. Some of them climbed a ladder as part of a game, a prank, or a coincidence. Some of them climbed a ladder because they had to, because they wanted to, or because they were asked to. But they all climbed a ladder. And they all realized that they had created their own reality with their mind. This experiment proved to them that whatever they imagined and felt as real as they fell asleep, would manifest in their world. And this experiment can prove to you the same thing. You can use this experiment to manifest anything you want in your life, including more money and prosperity. All you have to do is replace the ladder with your desired outcome, and imagine and feel it as real as you fall asleep. For example, if you want to manifest more money in your bank account, you can imagine having plenty of money. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that you have the power to create your own reality, that you can shape your life according to your desires and dreams, that you can attract more money and prosperity into your life with ease and joy. Sounds too good to be true, right? Neville Goddard was a master of the art of visualization, and he developed a simple yet powerful technique to create any reality you want. He called it the law of assumption. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true in your mind, with conviction and acceptance, will become true in your external reality. It doesn't matter if it seems impossible or illogical. If you can imagine it and feel it as real, it will manifest. Neville Goddard taught that the most important time to apply this law is when you are falling asleep. He said that your thoughts and feelings as you fall asleep script your reality for tomorrow. He explained that when you are in a drowsy state, your conscious mind relaxes and your subconscious mind becomes more receptive. This is when you can impress your subconscious mind with the image and feeling of your desired end. He also said that the subconscious mind does not distinguish between reality and imagination. It accepts whatever you feed it as true. So, if you can visualize and feel your wish fulfilled as you fall asleep, your subconscious mind will accept it as a fact and work to make it happen. In the VIP manifestation, he asked his students to imagine being congratulated by someone they admire or respect for achieving their goal. He told them to hear the words of praise and feel the emotion of satisfaction as they fall asleep. He said that this would create a bridge of incidents that would lead them to their desired outcome. These exercises showcase the mind's extraordinary power to create reality. But they also require a certain skill and discipline. You need to be able to visualize clearly and vividly, without any doubt or distraction. You need to be able to feel the emotion of having what you want, not wanting what you don't have. And you need to be able to accept your wish as already done, not as something that will happen in the future. This is where many people struggle. They find it hard to visualize or feel their wish fulfilled. They have doubts or fears that sabotage their efforts. They lack the confidence or faith that their wish will come true. But don't worry, there is a solution for this. There is a simple nightly exercise that can help you craft a mental picture of your desired reality and feel it as real. It is based on Neville Goddard's teachings, but adapted for modern times. Here is how it works. 1. Before going to bed, write down your wish or goal in a positive and present tense statement. For example, I am wealthy and prosperous, I am healthy and fit, I am in a loving and happy relationship. 2. Read your statement aloud several times, with enthusiasm and conviction. 3. Close your eyes and relax your body and mind. 4. Imagine a scene that implies that your wish has already been fulfilled. It should be something that would happen after you have achieved your goal, not before or during. For example, If you want to be wealthy, imagine checking your bank account and seeing a large balance, or buying something expensive without worrying about the price, or receiving a check or cash from someone. 5. Make the scene as realistic as possible. Use all your senses: see, hear, touch, smell, taste. Add details, colors, sounds, textures, smells, flavors. 6. Feel the emotion that corresponds to your wish fulfilled: joy, gratitude, satisfaction, love. 7. Repeat the scene over and over again in your mind until you fall asleep. That's it. By doing this exercise every night before falling asleep, you are programming your subconscious mind with the image and feeling of your desired reality. You are telling it what you want it to create for you. But there is one more thing you need to do. You need to accept your wish as already done. This is the true key to manifesting your dreams. Acceptance means that you stop worrying, wondering, or waiting for your wish to come true. You act as if it is already a fact. You live in the end. This may sound difficult, but it is actually very simple. All you need to do is to ignore the evidence of your senses and the opinions of others that contradict your wish. You need to trust your imagination more than your reality. You need to live from your wish fulfilled, not from your current situation. This does not mean that you deny or avoid your reality. It means that you see it as temporary and changeable. It means that you focus on the positive aspects of your life and express gratitude for what you have. It means that you act with confidence and optimism, knowing that your wish is on its way. By doing this, you are aligning yourself with the law of assumption. You are creating a match between your inner and outer reality. You are allowing your subconscious mind to work its magic and bring you what you want. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and see for yourself how powerful you are. You are a reality creation expert, just like Neville Goddard and many others. You have the ability to create any reality you want. All you need to do is to imagine it, feel it, and accept it. The matrix of your mind awaits you. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website, where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.